Watch me fill this order for our Back to Naturalness Hair and Beard Growth Cream. Someone just ordered from our website, and I want to show you exactly how I fulfill each order specifically for you. This isn't just a product, it's a solution I hand blend with care. Let's be real, struggling with your hair hits deep. Whether it's thinning edges, a spotty beard that won't connect, or bald spots, it's frustrating. I get it because I'm on this journey with you. I've been dealing with thinning at my temples for a long time. I think it's from back in the day when my aunties would pour my little bowls way too tight. As a licensed cosmetologist, I got tired of the chemicals in mainstream products. I created this for men, women, and all hair types who want a cleaner option. I've been using this for about a week now, and I'm already starting to see thickness. My friend Lauren, who has thinning at the crown of her head, she's seeing the same. We both laughed because we were like, wait, this tallow cream works fast. Here are the magic 8 natural ingredients I'm blending for you today. Beef tallow, it deeply nourishes with vitamins A, D, E, and K. Jojoba oil mimics your natural scalp oils to prevent breakage. Avocado oil penetrates the hair shaft to provide deep moisture. Jamaican Black Castor Oil increases blood flow to the scalp for growth. Pumpkin seed oil, a natural DHT blocker to help prevent hair loss. Arabica oil, which is a coffee oil, the caffeine stimulates the follicles. Rosemary oil, proven to improve hair thickness and scalp health. Vitamin E oil repairs damaged follicles and reduces inflammation. To go from the problem to the solution, it's just 3 easy steps to vibrant hair growth. Step number 1, on clean hair, take a dime-sized amount out of this 3.5-ounce jar. Step number 2, application. Rub it on your scalp or the affected areas. Step number 3, stimulate your scalp. Use Back to Naturalness silicone scalp massager for hair growth, or use your fingers to gently massage the oil into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes, daily or as needed. This gets the blood flowing. It's the same for men. Massage it into your beard daily for growth and a healthy, glowing shine. Quick disclaimer, y'all. Results vary from person to person. We make no claims to fame, and I'm not a medical doctor. Sometimes hair loss needs professional help, but if you do nothing, those spots may never fill in. If you take action today, you could be seeing that thickness we're all raving about. So grab yours today. Get 30% off if you order directly from our website and enter your email. I'll send that coupon code straight to you. We're also on Amazon, Walmart.com, and TikTok Shop at full price though. Hurry, the sale ends soon. You'll be glad you made the switch to go back to naturalness. Link is in the description.